What is up, family? Jimmy here, and we are here with another video in the BPO course series. Okay, this one is going to be called TradingView 101. All right, guys, and gals, right? So in this video, we're just going to be going over the basics of TradingView. Okay, and so when you log in, this is TradingView. You can level up your account. There is a free version. I only use Pro because I need X amount of alerts. I don't need to pay. And I believe the Pro, I think I pay like $14.99. I don't pay anything crazy. But I mean, there are higher options. You get more alerts, you get more features, those types of things. But I only really need Pro because, like I said, I don't try to trade anything crazy. I try to keep it very simplistic. Because until it stops working, why stop doing it, right? So I like to use TradingView, guys, for analysis. You can't trade off of here, but analysis wise, it really gives you that HD quality. It's more accurate and a more in-depth analysis. Okay, and like I said, you cannot place trades on TradingView though. I analyze on TradingView and I place trades, like I said, on my mobile MetaTrader 4 app or 5, whatever you decide to use. Okay, I personally use MetaTrader 4 mobile to place my trades, but I will mark them up on here. Okay, guys and gals, so when you're in TradingView, this is actually your homepage. Okay, the current page that we're on. It gives you ideas. It kind of gives you different market summaries, a bunch of different ideas. A lot of people talk about Bitcoin on here, and it's also my profile, so you'll see a lot of cryptos. Okay. Okay. You see here, you have your drop downs. You can view different ideas from separate authors. You guys can come view the crypto markets, view the currency markets, and they actually go ahead and split it into the major, the minors, the exotics, the Americans, etc. Okay, stocks, indices, it literally breaks everything down for you guys and gals. Okay, right here. If you want to view, you can add them over here. Let's not get too saucy with it yet. Let's go over the basics. So let's go to currencies and let's go to a major pair. Because when you guys first start trading, I always recommend majors because they are less volatile. Okay. They're going to be a lot less volatile to trade. And you're going to be able to trade them a lot more consistently. And you're going to be able to learn a lot quicker if you're trading something a lot less volatile than, say, a metal, or say a cryptocurrency or a JBP pair, right? With BritX and everything going on there, very, very, very volatile. So let's go ahead. No, we don't want to look at gold. That was weird. Computer's tweaking, y'all. Y'all just saw that firsthand. Creepy. I don't know why it keeps popping up gold when I'm popping up. I want the Euro USD chart. There we go. Perfect. So, going over the basics of TradingView. Okay. Let's actually go ahead and remove these as well. Let's just remove everything. All drilling tools, remove all indicators. Okay. When you guys are on TradingView and actually looking at a chart, a lot of this is customizable. I personally like to look at black and white candles, as you all know, because it helps me see a little bit better. For these purposes, we are actually going to go ahead and change the candles to where you guys can see them more or less likely how you would see them. Okay, so for example, if it is a bullish candle, it goes up. It's a bearish candle, it goes down, and it is red. right? And you guys can make these whatever the hell colors that you want. I like to use black and white, black and black, just depending. But for the time being, we're going to go ahead and use your guys' candle layouts that the majority of you use. Okay, and you can, in your settings here, guys, you can fully customize this whole thing. Okay, the appearance. I know a lot of you probably have the black background. Okay, because that's the default black background. You can make your chart look like this. Okay, you guys can literally make your charts look however you need them / want them to look. Okay, I personally, I like the white. Okay, just because it's clean. I think it looks very clean. White background, black handles, very, very clean. Okay, but however you guys like to do it, you can actually go ahead and do that directly in the settings. Okay, I'm not going to get too in depth to the chart because those are going to be in the later videos, but this video I just want to go through and show you guys and gals where all of the basic tools are in this video. Okay, so first let's go to trend line. So all of these over here, these are going to be your tools. Okay, your trend line here, you'll actually have trend line, you'll have your horizontal lines, you'll have a bunch of different items right here. Okay, and you can literally just click to wherever you want it to go, click and drag, right? That's how you go ahead and draw your trend lines. And once you click again, it places itself. Okay, now if you guys are indicator traders and you guys like trade EMA, SMAs, okay, Jamie, how do I add that onto TradingView? Okay, so you just go in here, excuse me, and if you want an exponential moving average, an EMA, moving average, exponential, boom. And if you just want a regular moving average, MA, moving average, boom. Okay, me personally, go into your settings. I personally use the EMA 8. Okay, and then the MA 18. Okay, and these are just the colors that I like to do, guys and gals, because as you all know, I like the purple with my white on black, the purples and like the greens and stuff. They really pop. But you can really make these whatever you want. I just use it because I like the purples. And then the red is my crossover, because when the MA 18 is over the EMA 8, it's downtrend, and when the EMA 8 is above the MA 18, it is an uptrend. You see that? Perfect. So that is how you guys go ahead and add the EMAs and the SMAs. Okay, and if you guys are looking for fib tools now, you're like, okay, I need fib tools, Jimmy. What do? I'm looking for a Fibonacci. I'm seeing a possible retracement here, right? You're gonna come over here to Fibonacci retracement, and bada bing, bada boom. You have your fibs, right? Your guys's, the basic fib is probably going to look a little bit different than mine. Let me actually put it to where you guys can see it a little bit better, right? Mine looks like this, okay, for a buy. And if I were to be pulling it out on, say, a sell, it would look like that, okay? Let me go ahead and pull this up. If you guys like these, go ahead and take a picture of them, right? These, yeah, only the ones that are check marked though. Okay, so all of these, and then these ones over here, the ones that are check marked, and these are a different color because these are predetermined stop losses. Okay, so if I'm selling, this is the market high, I don't want to be in if there's a break of structure, right? Because it could continue to go up, which would be dumb. So I have my predetermined stop losses. Same thing if I were to be buying. and the market comes down, breaks the low, right, and we could continue to see further downside. I wouldn't want to be in a long position off of this, so that's why we have those different colors to help us show our predetermined stop losses. All right, so let me go ahead, pull out a fib one more time. And like I said, if y'all want these, go ahead. You guys can make these whatever colors you want. The 50 is where there's the same amount of buyers and sellers in the market. So if you want to make this a neutral color, or not even like include it, you can do that. You can make these whatever colors you want. You can make these all the same color. You don't have to do the different colors. That's just something that I do because it shows me. If you guys watched all the videos that I shared before creating the course, the J Take Wayne, I used to have a fib that looked like his, right? The changing the colors, the golden zone, those types of things. My fibs used to look like that. They literally look like that. And I'm talking like not skinny fibs, like I had the thick lines, the thick line fibs, you know what I mean? Like I had they was thick, right? Something like that. But it's how my fibs are now. It's just a personal preference. You guys don't have to create your fibs like mine. The default setting of fibs is very, very good as well. But if you guys are following me, and when I drop charts, if you guys try to make yours similar, this is my fib layout. So yeah, if you guys are interested, you guys took that screenshot, so you guys should be good to go. Okay, and when I'm marking support and resistance lines, okay, let's just go straight to that. It's under the trend line section, right? And I'll just grab a horizontal line, make it whatever color, and then boom, you drop it, right? You click it again to get another one, boom, you drop it. That's how you can create your support and resistance lines, okay? And I'm not trying to insult anybody's intelligence with this video, but I have gotten a lot of questions regarding how to use these tools. So the next one, zones, right? If you're trying to create something like this, you come over to your tools. It will actually originally be the brush. You come over here, boom, rectangle, right? Draw to draw, right? So say I'm trying to get a precise zone on these top of these candles, like right here, right? And I keep trying to drag it out and it's messing up. You guys, if you didn't know this, you could go here, type in 0, type in whatever fucking number, and it'll expand all the way out, right? Watch this. Depending on the number and where the bar is, that's where it'll be. You also 700. Now watch me type in 300. Boom. See? Just expands it out. See? That just expanded it out, right? It retracted it because I made the number bigger. That's how you guys can do those things. The same things with these lines. If you guys see them on my chart and you're trying to drag it and you can't get it to a precise point, and I want it to be the same as Jimmy's, I want my line to be this exact number, you can click that, go to your settings, and type in a precise. So say I want this to be 667, and it was 663, and I could not get it to say 667. I can go in and type that in, and boom, my line gets moved up to the precise point that I want it to be at. Okay, so let's do that again. I'm trying to get it up a little bit. I can't get it perfectly to 789, and I'm trying, right? I go in here, boom, precisely, perfectly, every single time. Okay, guys, these are little tips and tricks. Okay, you guys also see that I put text on my charts a lot, and call outs and those types of things. If you're trying to show people analysis, right, you can push this little T right here, and you can click, and you can just start typing directly, right? Put a little border around it, make it whatever size and color that you want it to be, and you just type directly there onto the chart, okay? And you can, of course, if you click on it, you click delete and it is gone. Or if you're, say, on a you're wanting to do a call out, like you see those things that I do, you guys can go here, click, oh, hey, boom, I want to look at this, type whatever you want to go ahead, style and type in here, bottom, bottom, whatever, bottom on the 1 day, etc., etc. These are just little tools that you guys can use to help yourselves. And there's some people who will use these to be like, okay, to identify candlestick patterns, and there'll be some people who use the circles, right, the ellipses. So those are over here. And you would just do the same thing. You would go boom, boom, and you would drag, right? And you can make these whatever size you want, however big, however small you need them to be as well. Okay, so that pretty much covers the basics, TradingView 101. So I will see you guys in the next video.